this is what we're dealing with today. Woke up this morning and we've got a solid couple feet of snow. So thankful that the tractor started, and here we are. So Matt's gonna snow blow the driveway, slow but steady, with the tractor, and then I'll keep cleaning off cars and shoveling. I just shovel around my car just to open the door, and we'll try to move the cars back, but it's still coming down pretty heavy. March, or no, it's not March yet. I think it's the last day of February 29th. It's like several feet of snow. So that's Matt. I don't know if you can see the lights down there, snow blowing. This is me. Snow's up to my knee at least. It's really snowy still. I've been out here shoveling. Whew, I got into the snowblowing part. Whew. Hold on, let me show you. You guys see how deep that is? So crazy. That's just from last night. It's like up to my knee. Can barely see the road. So we have snow blowed now. I don't know like when it's gonna stop. But we snow blowed the driveway twice. There's Matt after snow blowing. Hi, honey.
Hi.
This is the snowbank. It's still snowing. In fact, he snow blowed twice, and there's still snow coming down. Crazy. We haven't had this much snow all winter. Hopefully there's not much more to come.